In this video, I'll guide you in the step-by-step on how to buy and sell tokens using Dexscreener. And it's a straightforward process, so stay tuned until the end to ensure you don't miss any critical details. First, visit the Dexscreener website. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a menu with various options. Scroll down to locate a section with Moonshot. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to the Dex Arena Moonshot page. Before you can begin trading, you need to connect your wallet. Navigate to the top right corner of the page and select Connect. From the options provided, choose to link your Phantom wallet. Once connected, you're ready to trade. Select the token you want to buy from the list. For example, if you're purchasing a token you want to buy from the list, for example, if you're purchasing a token to find, additionally, you can adjust the slippage or percentage based on your preference. Here, I'll set mine to 8%. After finalizing your choices, click buy. The transaction will process, and within a few seconds, you'll see it confirmed. If you wish to sell, switch to the sell interface. You can select 100% to sell all your tokens. This will display the minimum amount you'll receive, 0.92 Solanas. To proceed, click sell and confirm the transaction in your wallet. After confirming, your tokens will be sold, leaving your wallet with 0 tokens. This simple process allows you to efficiently buy and sell tokens on Dexscreener. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.